Sausage! Bloody hell! Make your friggin' mind of where you go. There we go, mate. The hell? See where that just come from there? That's mad, isn't it? That's gone through, pal.
Oh, cheers, mate. Stuart, we're there up in Scotland in Celtic Plant. Comes to the month for September, the final. You're voting and updates. Thanks so much at TSHJ, TSHANDJ on Twitter. At the moment,
But you got 4, haven't you? Bloody hell! Sausage!
Some credits, but
Hey?
I don't mind it. I don't mind purchasing some credits. Like.
I've tried to buy credits from ownage, but it's not letting us do it.
What?
It's saying like I already purchased this item. Well, we've got too much for Derby, to be honest with you. And it kind of come quick enough. Nice indication by the bus stop. The bus driver there. Bloody hell, what a sausage. But it can't come quick enough for the match tonight because
Telford with work up, mate.
it's 40 mile an hour, you complete sausage. Bloody hell's bells. He's risking doing that, like on the 40 mile an hour on the bypass. I'm off to Kingstown, and there's usually a speed camera.